So today we're installing an intercooler from Whoosh, the V3 edition, and just so we all know, this video, that's right boys, your boy got a sponsor. This video is sponsored by Whoosh. Thank you for the intercooler. Let's start installing this thing. Oh, by the way, this is Austin. I work with him. What's up? He's an absolute beast of a mechanic and I absolutely suck. So if I didn't have him, I actually wouldn't be able to do this. Eco beast, not a beast.
Oh, it's so small.
What is?
The motor.
Yeah, dude, it's the same displacement as yours.
Excuse me?
It's a 1.6. Is that not?
The 1.8, right?
Oh, that's right. You swapped it.
Like that. Swapped it.
Headlights have to go out, and then fender liner has to go out. I don't know how the hell we're gonna get that out. That's where we need the.
Oh, that's
the wobble socket. No, but there's one deep, bro. There's one deep in there. There it is. That's not light work, brother.
That is light work.
Is it light work for you?
It's light work.
All right, fine, dude. Then we're gonna do light work today.
Check it out, dude. Those are yours, dude.
Nice, get stoked. Big old cut boys today. Look how quick he is. He is so fast. They say it only takes like 2.5 hours. But I bet we could do it in an hour. I bet, no, dude, we can definitely do this in an hour. No chance. This thing already feels like extremely loose and we've only took off one bolt, so that's like slightly concerning, right?
Well, you know, it's a Ford, you know.
Okay, dude. Okay, dude. First headlight off. Get hyped. Bumper's coming off in a second. Get on over here, brother.
You just kind of go like this.
I always do that too. Yeah, that's actually my thing that I taught you.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that was me, bro.
I forgot to say that. Whoa. I don't know what that noise was.
I hate that.
Well, I guess that worked.
I don't hear anything. I don't like the way that sounds, but I don't think it's breaking.
It didn't sound like it. Look.
It's too deep.
I got it.
It's too deep. This kid's trying to get the fog light off and can't do it, dude. Oh my god, bro.
Started. What are you doing? What the hell? Yep.
Yeah. Namaste. It looks kind of sick without headlights. I wish I could just run it like this.
Well, like you get like little LED bars.
Yeah.
ST stands for slow turbo.
That is not correct. I think it's special teams, like SEAL Team 6, because these things are so absolutely beastly.
Special team.
Special teams. I'm gonna lose this bolt in about 2 seconds here.
Just put both your fingers in there.
Nope, don't need it.
Oh man, this is a risky game you're playing.
Oh, sketch.
So do you need a tune for the bumper when you? I mean, sorry, for the intercooler.
Yeah. So what you usually do is you tune the bumper first, and then the intercooler.
Okay. All right. Cool.
I'm helping, by the way. I'm just looking to make sure you're doing well.
Yeah.
Hey, man. Good job. You need your help?
Yeah. If you could
That's
just,
better. No problem. Anytime. So one last check. We're gonna make sure all the bolts are off for the bumper, which we're not totally sure.
Oh, there you go.
Wait.
It's just stuck on there.
Oh, yes, bro. It's crazy to see it like this, dude. That's weird. Look at the sad boy bumper. And look at the sad boy boy. Still working. I'm delegating. I'm telling you, it's delegating.
My manager.
Yeah. Watch just like a ton of oil be in there or something crazy.
Oh.
What is that?
That's the oil. Nah, it's not. I think it's just like they just put like a grease on here from the factory.
I'm sure.
Because it's like here, it's dried at the touch.
Oh. Just kidding. So we found out there's more bolts under here that you can't see. So we're trying to figure that out.
Basically, your car's an escape. That's what he's saying.
That's not what I'm saying. Oh!
Oh! What is this? Okay, so here's the stock boy intercooler. Tiny little munchkin, little baby. Little sus boy. Little tadpole. Not the biggest. Then we got big boy over here. Let's go ahead and hand me the big boy. Oh! A little different, let me tell you. This thing's definitely bigger and it's also super heavy because this one's like just straight up plastic. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this thing on so I can go home. Dude, use this for your build, bro. Here you go.
Nice.
No.
You want it?
No.
We're trying to figure out how these brackets are supposed to go onto the car because there's a screw thing in here that looks like you could thread something into it, but on the stock intercooler, they just came with nothing on top in these grommets. So my guess is that you just put that feels pretty honestly. Oh, it's the same on this one though.
Alright.
Yeah, no, that's good. We're gonna try and mount this thing now, I guess. I mean, this is a front mount intercooler. Oh! So, let's mount it first before we put the actual hose pieces. Turning out to be a bit more complicated than we thought, but that's okay. This is feeling pretty nice, not gonna lie. All right, so intercooler's installed, thank freaking God. That was a bit more complicated than we thought. Now we have to see if the bumper's gonna fit, because if it doesn't fit, we have to take this whole entire thing off again. And then I'm gonna be here for the next century, so let's get started with the bumper install. Okay, so we just had a little mini issue with the bumper down here. There's two tabs that you can't really see very well. They're supposed to go up and not underneath the splash guard. We were doing it the opposite way, so now it's on good. The fitment is absolutely pristine. No gaps, no gap boys. And we're just finding what bolts to put where, and then we're good to go. We'll go drive it. The headlights are finally in. That happened to be the hardest part of the whole project. My back is actually on fire at this point. Yeah, dude, my back actually hurts. Yeah, we're gonna start it and just see if it works. I'm not totally sure. It should be fine. We ended up with like 9 extra bolts, so that's good. Okay, car battery died. That's fine. I left my door open, to be expected. Other than that, it should be fine. So we're gonna jump my car and then we're just gonna see if it works. I hope it does. Hopefully my charge pipes don't blow in half. Okay, camera died. So what happened? My car died, intercooler got installed perfectly, okay? And now we're driving. It's been 3 days since I've installed it. No problems. Benefits though. Lots of benefits. There's no heat soak anymore at all. This car does not heat soak. This thing's a freaking beast. I love it. On the stock intercooler, when I was driving it for more than like 10 minutes and anything over like 70 degrees, you could literally feel the power being sucked out of it, okay? That does not happen anymore. And we still got the pops and bangs tuned on. Yes, dude. Power increase. Power definitely increased. I'm not sure how much power. That was a super weird noise. Yeah, boy. What's that? So, did the power increase? Well, the answer is yes, baby. It definitely increased. I'm not sure how much power you're supposed to get from an intercooler. I think it's like anywhere from 20 to 30 horsepower on these things, which is freaking awesome. And keep in mind, I have not yet sent a data log to Adam at Tune Plus yet, so it's not tuned for the intercooler quite yet, but it doesn't necessarily need to be. It's still safe to run without a tune. You're just not getting all the power that you could from it. So I have to go do that today at some point. I think I'll film another video for that. Huge shout out to Ron at Whoosh. Dude, thank you so much for sending me this intercooler. It's so sick. It was the last piece to complete the stage 3 build. So it's you know, it's stage 3. Now, that does not mean that I'm done. No. Oh, absolutely not. We have to get a hybrid turbo on this thing. Do we not? I think we do. But again, huge shout out to Ron at Whoosh. Thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate it. Subscribe, like the video. Fucking do what you want, baby. Come on now. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.